Are you having problems with your Meta verification not being available on your Facebook account? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can fix this issue. But it's very important that you do watch this until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our Facebook app. As you can see, I'm currently on my Facebook app right now. So what I need to do in here is to click on the three lines in the bottom right corner. So click on the three lines, and then you should be taken here, as you can see. And by the way, if you have an Android, then probably this like these three lines is going to be in the top right corner instead, just so you know. But basically you should be taken now to this page. So now I'm just going to scroll down in here until I can see where it says help and support. Click on help and support in here. Now click on report a problem. So click on report a problem. Once again, you need to click on report a problem in here. Now click on include and report. And the reason why you need to do this, and the reason why you need to report this, is because when you do this, you will actually be directly in contact with the like Facebook customer service or customer support, basically, because in here you will be able to contact them directly and explain this issue. Now in here, I'm just going to scroll all the way down and click on other. And as you can see, I'm now taken here. And that is exactly what I meant before. Because as you can see, you are able to report this problem to Facebook. And in here, you will be able to write exactly what kind of issues that you're experiencing. And this will come straight to the Facebook customer service, basically. So what I need to do is to write exactly like this to Facebook. I am having issues with my Meta verification not being available on my Facebook account. So you need to write exactly like this to the Facebook support. I am having issues with my Meta verification not being available on my Facebook account. So basically, when you have done so, then click on send in the top right corner. And by the way, before we actually click on send, we can even specify like what kind of like account we mean. Maybe you have your account username or account name. You can write it in here as well, just so you know, just to make it like extra clear to them exactly that this is the account that you mean. Now click on send in the top right corner. Wait about 1 to 3 business days after you have done so, because that is like approximately how long time it takes for Facebook support to see this message. And hopefully after this like issue will be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, if you can, please leave a like on this video and maybe subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that maybe is going to help you in like other issues as well, maybe that you have with social media. So yeah, basically this is the video, and I wish you the best day.